Hey everybody! This video will talk about finding the vertex, intercepts, and axes of symmetry from the graph of a parabola. So here we have the graph of a parabola, and we're asked if it opens up or down. Well, here we make like a U shape, and that is opening upward. Now we're asked to find the intercepts, the x and the y-intercepts from the graph. Well, the x-intercepts are wherever the function crosses the x-axis. That happens right here at this point. That point is -2, 0. Okay. The y-intercepts happen wherever the function, the graph of the function, crosses the y-axis. That happens at this point, which happens to be 0, 1. Now remember, for x-intercepts, our y value is always 0, and for y-intercepts, our x value is always 0. And now it asks to find the coordinates of the vertex. The vertex is the point where the graph changes from decreasing to increasing or increasing to decreasing, because you could have an upside down parabola, and it's right at this point right here on this graph. That happens to be the x-intercept as well, but it's the vertex too. So the vertex is at -2, 0. Now, find the equation of the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is where if you were to fold the parabola in half, it would land on top of itself. Now that only happens when you draw this vertical line through the vertex. So the equation of the axis of symmetry is the equation of this vertical line through the vertex. A vertical line is always x equals, and this happens to be at -2. I'm going to point something out real quick, and that is that this -2 and the -2 of the vertex will always be the same. So the equation of the axis of symmetry is an equation of a line, x equals, and then the x value of the vertex.